I'm going to install an outdoor electrical box in support of this light fixture here. Got the power off to this, verified with my voltmeter, with my amp. I've used this Southwire voltage tester for a long time to verify no currents coming through the wires there. It'll turn red and beep if there is. Okay, what I picked up here at the store, got an all-weather outlet here, and then got an outlet box, and then an outlet box cover, and some staples to secure the Nomex wire. All right, how this is going to work, so here's the box, and it comes with plugs for the other holes. There's some pop outs here. I'm just going to screw it into the wall with that, drill it out, screw it in, come down through the top with the wires, and then the outlet gets wired in. The wire comes in, I'll wire it to the outlet. Then this is going to go on there for a protective cover. Then this goes on there. That way it's covered. If you want to unplug it, you've got more weather protection there. So I'm going to drill these out here, and that way I can use these to mount it to the wood. I run the wires in through the top. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and mount the ground wire to the box right there. So on this, you can see this is gold and this is silver. The hot, I'm putting, which is the black in this case, is going to go on the gold, and then I'm going to put the white onto the silver, which is the neutral. Now I'm going to go ahead and mount the thing up to here. The screws just go right in there. Now what I'll do is I'm going to put the box on, but up here you can see there's an opening. I'm going to silicone that real good so no water gets in there. Even though it's in a covered area, moisture and that can still get in there. And then for the bottom, I'm going to put the plugs in there. Put the cover on. Go ahead and pop these out. So with this is the screw that comes with this that goes right in there, and that'll screw into the box. I went ahead and punched out the hole in this thing too. Oh yeah, there we go, that's what we want. Now I'll turn the power back off before I put the cover on. So going like that, and I'm gonna put a screw through the center. I had to kind of hold this on and hold it open while I screwed that screw in. There we go. I'll put the things in the bottom. Got the box installed. Now I'll secure the wire with these staples. Okay, now the only thing left to do is put some silicone in the top.